Have you ever brought home a perfect-looking melon that turned out to be tasteless? It's disappointing, right? You expect sweetness but get nothing but water. But what if I told you that you could grow your own juicy, sweet, and fragrant melons at home? No chemical residues, no guessing games, just pure natural taste. In this video, I'll show you how to grow melons step by step in your own backyard. From choosing the right spot to harvesting your first melon, we'll cover everything you need. Even if you've never grown anything before, don't worry. This guide is made for beginners. And stick around till the end, because I'll share a sweet secret melon growers rarely talk about. Let's begin this natural and rewarding journey together. Soil and location selection. Melons love warmth and sunshine more than anything. So, the first step is to choose the sunniest spot in your garden. Ideally, the spot should get at least 8 hours of direct sunlight every day. Avoid shaded or low-lying areas where moisture builds up. Melons prefer loose, well-drained, and nutrient-rich soil. To improve your soil, mix in plenty of organic compost or well-rotted manure. The soil should feel soft and crumbly, not sticky or heavy. Before planting, check that your soil pH is between 6.0 and 6.8. This pH range helps the plant absorb nutrients more effectively. You can use a simple soil test kit to measure it. Once you've found your sunny spot and prepare your soil, you're ready to plant. You can grow melons either from seeds or from young seedlings. Both methods work well, depending on your climate and timing. If you're starting from seed, wait until all risk of frost has passed. Melons need warm soil to germinate and grow well. Ideally, the soil temperature should be above 65 degrees Fahrenheit. Plant 2 to 3 seeds about 2 centimeters deep in small mounds. Once they sprout, keep the strongest one and remove the others. If you're using seedlings, handle them gently during transplanting. Melon roots are sensitive and don't like being disturbed. Space each plant about 3 feet apart to give them room to grow. Avoid crowding the plants as they need sunlight and airflow. Watering, mulching, and feeding. Water is one of the most important needs of melon plants. Melons are made up of over 90% water, so consistent moisture is key. Water deeply when the top inch or 2 of soil feels dry. Always water at the base of the plant to avoid wetting the leaves. Wet leaves can lead to fungal diseases, especially in humid climates. Mulching is another great way to keep soil moisture steady. Use straw, dried grass, or leaf mulch around the base of the plants. Mulch also helps suppress weeds and keeps fruits clean. Melons are heavy feeders, so they need extra nutrients during growth. Start with rich compost in the soil before planting. Then, after about a month, give a natural boost with compost tea or diluted liquid fertilizer. Don't overfeed. Too much fertilizer causes leafy vines and fewer fruits. Feeding once during flowering and once when fruits start forming is usually enough. Pollination and pest management. As melon plants grow, they begin to produce small yellow flowers. These flowers can be either male or female. Only female flowers can turn into melons after pollination. Pollination usually happens with the help of bees and other insects. To attract pollinators, plant flowers like marigold or lavender nearby. If you don't see any pollinators, you can help by hand-pollinating. Use a small brush or cotton swab to transfer pollen from male to female flowers. This improves your chances of getting fruit, especially in quiet gardens. Melon plants can also attract unwanted guests like aphids and beetles. Aphids are tiny green insects that suck the sap from leaves. You can spray them off with water or attract ladybugs to eat them. For beetles, pick them off by hand or use neem oil spray. In the early weeks, cover seedlings with fine mesh to block pests. Be sure to remove the cover when flowering starts so pollinators can reach. A healthy plant can handle a few pests, so don't panic. Stay calm, observe your plants daily, and enjoy the process. As the weeks go by, small green melons will start to appear under the leaves. This is an exciting moment. Your hard work is finally paying off. But not every tiny melon needs to grow to full size. It's better to thin the fruits and leave only 2 or 3 strong ones per vine. Removing the smaller ones helps the plant focus its energy. The result? you will have bigger, juicier, and sweeter melons. Keep watering consistently while the fruits grow. Here comes the secret tip for the sweetest harvest yet. About 1 week before harvest, reduce watering gradually. This slight water stress helps concentrate sugars in the fruit. Less water means more flavor. It really makes a difference. But don't stop watering completely. The plant still needs support. Just give enough to keep the vines from wilting. When and how to harvest. Knowing when to harvest your melons is just as important as growing them. Harvesting too early means less flavor, and too late means overripe or split fruit. So how can you tell when a melon is perfectly ripe? For most melon types, the skin color changes from green to yellowish or beige. You'll also notice a sweet aroma coming from the fruit. In many varieties, the stem naturally detaches when the fruit is ripe. This stage is called the slip stage, and it means your melon is ready to harvest. For other types like watermelons, check the spot where the melon touches the ground. If that spot turns creamy yellow, it's a good sign of ripeness. Also, look at the curly tendril near the stem. If it's dry and brown, the fruit is likely ready. When in doubt, gently twist the fruit. If it comes off easily, it's time to harvest. Use a clean, sharp knife to cut the melon from the vine if it doesn't slip naturally. Hold the fruit in your hands and feel its weight and firmness. This is the moment when all your hard work pays off. Take it inside, slice it open, and enjoy the taste of your own harvest. You've just learned how to grow sweet, juicy melons right in your own backyard. From choosing the location to harvesting at the perfect moment, you now know every step. And the best part is, you did it naturally without chemicals or artificial methods. That's not just gardening, that's sustainable living in action. If this video helped or inspired you, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to TerraWorks for more nature-friendly gardening content. In the comments, let us know what kind of melon you're planning to grow. We read every comment and love hearing your garden stories. Thanks for being here, and see you in the next video. Until then, happy growing and enjoy the fruits of your labor.